Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today I will teach you a very cute little shoe, very easy style. So I am using 2 mm needle and a yarn. So first of all I will make shoe sole. So count for 12. Count for 10. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now in the second one I will make single crochet. In the next 1, 2, 3 I will make single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and now half double crochet for one time and 1, 2, 3 times for double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Now in the last chain I will make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I will make 3 double crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3. Now 1 half double crochet and 3 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. In the last one I will make 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now make a slip stitch in the first chain. Now this is my first round. Now chain 2 and half double crochet into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Half double crochet in 8 stitches. Now I will make 2 half double crochet in 5 stitches. 2 half double crochet in 5 stitches. Now I did my half double crochet in 5 stitches, so we have 10 half double crochet. Now double crochet in a row till to the end when I have 3 stitches left. One, 2, 3. Now make this one. Make 2 half double crochet in 3 stitches. Now make slip stitch in second chain. Now this is my second row. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and make in the same double crochet. Into the next make 2 double crochet in a stitch, in one stitch. Now double crochet into 8 stitches. 1, 2. Now I have done my 8 stitches. So now I will make double crochet into 10 stitches for 2 time. 1, this one is my second, and this one is my third. So make 2 double crochet in 10 stitches. So we will have 20 stitches here. Now I done my all 2 stitches in 10 stitches. So make double crochet into the next 8 stitches. This one is my 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So make 10 stitches, 8 9 and 10. Now I have 1 2 3 4, so I will do 2 double crochet in each stitch. Two stitches in 4 stitches. Now 1 2 3, make a slip stitch over here. Oops, sorry. Like this. Now this is my shoe sole. So I will cut the yarn and start my upper part. Now I will use gray color for the upper part. First of all, I will chain 3, 1 2 3, and make a circle, make a slip stitch in the last one like this. Now chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now turn it for 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now into the circle, pull a loop and pull through 2, again from 2, again 2 2, and like this. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now in the middle of circle, make 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 5 6 and 7 for 7 time. So make this one for 5 time. Now I have done my 1 2 3 4 5. Now I will do the first one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now put it into the circle and make a slip stitch like this. This is my one side. Now I will make the second one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now again I will turn for 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Insert the hook into the circle and make like before, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now make this one for 5 times. Now count for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and make a slip stitch. Now here's this. Nope. Now I did the upper portion, the front side. Now I did it. Now I will stitch it to the both side. I put a stitch marker. This is the middle, so count 5 from this side and 5 from this side. Now the first, like this, the first stitch I will make here like this, and the other will be stitched with these stitches. Now see, I remove the stitch marker, so I will start from this side and stitch it with all stitches. Like this. And make it tight. And stitch from the other side too. Now the first part is done, the upper. Now count 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and the fifth I will stitch, make a now chain 1 and make half double crochet into the same stitch. So make half double crochet into the back of the stitch. To the other side I will count 1 2 3 4, and this one is my fifth. So I will put a stitch marker over here, so it will be 1 2 3 4, this one. Easy for me. Now this one. Do half double crochet till to this side. Now I am here, chain 1, turn your work and make single crochet till to the other side. Single crochet. Now chain 1 and again make half double crochet till to the next end. Double crochet, half double crochet. Make it little bit tight, not too loose. Now single crochet from this side to the another end. Now chain 4, 17, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Now 1 2 3 4, in the fifth one make half double crochet. So this is the buttonhole for my shoe. Now make half double crochet till to the end of this line. Now I reach to my end. Now make half double crochet into the next all stitches till to the another end. Now I have finished my work. So this is the cute little sandal for a baby girl. Put a button over here. Sorry, I have no button this time. So beautiful. If you want to keep it little bit tight, so make it small. It's up to you. So I hope you will like the tutorial. Inshallah, see you in the next tutorial with new shoe pattern. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.